how to delete Instagram account. Now let's say you want to permanently deactivate or delete your Instagram account and vanish traces of your account ever existing. All you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now once we're here, all we have to do is to tap on the search bar right here and search for deactivation and deletion right here. After that, we just have to tap on our Instagram account and choose between deactivating your account and deleting your account. Deactivation is a temporary movement that will hide your Instagram, while deletion of Instagram will delete every content, every traces of your account ever existing. So all you have to do if you want to delete your account is to select delete account right here and hit continue. Let's say this one and hit continue. Now you just have to type in your password and hit continue. And then your account will have a grace period of 1 month or 30 days in order for your account to be permanently deleted. So that's how to delete Instagram account. Hope we help.